हेलो बच्चों, लेट्स रीड दिस क्वेश्चन। द लाइन विथ जो लाइन विथ होता है ऑफ अ ब्राइट फ्रिंज इज समटाइम्स डिफाइंड एज अ सेपरेशन बिटवीन पॉइंट्स ऑन द टू साइड्स ऑफ अ सेंट्रल लाइन वेयर द इंटेंसिटी फॉल्स टू द हाफ ऑफ द मैक्सिमम। तो ये जो लाइन विथ है, अकॉर्डिंग टू दीज पीपल, जो हमारा जो वाईडीएसई एक्सपेरिमेंट में सेंट्रल पॉइंट होता है, वहां से द डिस्टेंस, टू टाइम्स द डिस्टेंस where the intensity falls to the half of the maximum. So they're asking us to find the line width of a bright fringe in a YDSE experiments in terms of lambda, small d and capital D, where the symbols have their usual meanings. So let's draw the YDSE experiment. We have two slits and this is the point, the central point, and this is the screen. So there is 2 points on the screen where the intensity, let's say this point is point P and this point is O. There is a distance y between O and P which is going to be having, and the intensity at point y is going to be 1 by 2 the intensity max. Intensity max occurs at point O, right? So we have our formula: I at point P divided by I at point O is equal to 1 by 2. तो जो हमारा formula for intensity है, that is going to be 4a square cos square pi by 2 divided by I at O is going to be I maximum. तो उस समय हमारा जो cos है that will tend to 1. So we just have 4a square is equal to 1 by 2. तो इससे हम solve करते हैं, तो we'll get cos of pi by 2 is going to be equal to 1 by root 2, which is also equal to cos of 45 degrees. 45 degrees in radians can be written as pi by 4. तो ये आ गया हमारे पास cos का वैल्यू। तो हमारा जो phi का वैल्यू है इज गोइंग टू बी pi by 4 times 2, which is going to be equal to pi by 2। ठीक है, तो हमारा जो phi का वैल्यू होता है that is given by 2 pi x by lambda, where x, so 2 pi x by lambda, we have this as phi, which is going to be equal to pi by 2. This is the phase difference phi. So we can find x from this. We get x as lambda by 4. This is the difference between the distances of the two rays, right? So this is the distance, the length or difference between the two rays. So now we have the length difference. We can use this to calculate y. Y is given by x capital D by small d. तो ये जो y होता है that is nothing but the distance between O and P. ये हमारा given for any x length difference we can find y. So using this formula we get y as lambda capital D by 4 small d. तो ये आ गया हमारा y. This is nothing but the separation between the point O and P. Now they are asking the line width, which is given by the separation between the points on two sides. So using the same formula, we can calculate for the point Q over here. So they're asking us the distance between P and Q. Since the distance is between P and O and Q is going to be same and it's going to be y, we can write the distance PQ is going to be 2 times y, which is going to be equal to lambda d by 2d. And this is what they're asking for, which is the line width of a bright fringe. ठीक है बच्चों, I hope you've understood how I solved this question. The answer to this question is going to be lambda capital D by 2 small d. Thank you so much.